So choose our six-member team from eight freshmen and four sophomores with a majority of freshmen. So how can we do that? First of all, we have to remember that the majority of the group is six, and that would be the freshmen. Um, the majority would be four, five, or even six. So let's say the total would be yung total niyan is yung 8 for freshman, okay? 8 for freshman, and then we have to choose 4. Okay? So we're going to use this one. We have to choose 4. And then after that, we have 4 sophomores, and then we can choose 2 out of 4 sophomores. So now when we add this one, 4 and 2, we can form a 6 member. Okay? So we will add another combination would be we have in the eight freshmen, we will choose five. Okay? And then in the remaining, kung pipili tayo ng apat na sophomores, we can have only one na lang para makapag-create tayo ng anim na members. So the rest, we have six. Okay? In the in the form of freshmen na majority dapat. Okay? So, sa walong freshmen, pipili tayo ng anim sa kanila para majority. And then, apat na sophomores. Sa apat na sophomores, wala tayong pipiliin. Okay? After natin makuha yun, we will be just add them. And then, para makuha natin yung mismo results. The next thing na kailangan natin gawin is, first, we have to find out what is the result when we have 8 choose 4. So you can type it in your calculator or you can solve it manually. So 8 is equivalent to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. So nahinto tayo hanggang 5. And then sa 4 naman, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? So multiplying the numerators will get us 1,680. Multiplying the denominator, we have 24. And then dividing them will give us 70. Okay? So 8 choose 4, that is 70. Next is 4. 4, we have to choose 2 and 4 and 2 and 4C2. Okay? So 4 is equal to 4 times 3. 2 is would be 2 times 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Okay? Also, meron tayong um, 8, choose 5. And that the result would be 56. You can try naman like this one, 8. Then meron tayong C. You can type it in your calculator if you want to. Then 5. Okay? So 8C5. If you type in calculator, makukuha nyo po yung 56. Also, we have 4, choose 1, and that is equal to 4. And this one, that is 4. 8, choose 6, so that is equal to 8 times 7. And then yung 2 naman, 2 times 1. So 8 times 7 is 56. Divided by 2, that is going to be 28. 4, choose 0, that is equal to 1. And then yung result, we have to add them together. So 70 times 6 plus 56 times 4 plus 28 times 1. Okay? Simplifying the 70 times 6 will give us 420. Okay? So 56 times 4, that is equal to 224. 28 times 8, that is 28. Adding them together will give us 672. So the answer here, okay, so when we choose 6 members out of 8 freshmen and 4 sophomores, the majority dapat ay freshmen is 672. Okay, so that is the first problem. So another problem from that particular solution. So now we have to choose 4 members or 4-member group from 6 girls and 5 boys. With girls na dapat yan ay majority. Okay? So majority of 4 will be the girls, and then the 3 or 4, it can be 3, it can be 4. Okay? So the total would be 6 choose 3 and then 5 choose 1. So when you add 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay? Makakabuo pa rin tayo ng apat na members dyan. At dito, majority yung girls natin. Okay? Next is 6 choose 4. But yung doon naman sa 5 boys, wala tayong pipiliin sa kanila. And then, we can type in the calculator. Sa 6 choose 3, that is equal to 20. 5 choose 1, that is equal to 5. Okay? Next, we have 6. So, yung 20 times 5, multiply natin yan. Hanapin naman natin yung isa pang bahagi, which is yung 6 choose 4 and then 5 choose 0. So, 6 choose 4, that is equal to 15. 5 choose 0, that is equal to 1. So, 15 times 1. So, multiply 20 times 5, that is equal to 100. 15 times 1, that is 15. Adding them will give us 115. The correct answer here is 115. And that's the final answer. Okay? So, I'm gonna give you this parallel question, and then you can try your skills. You can go back to the previous examples for you to finally get this one. Okay? So, you can comment down what have you learned, and sige, we will proceed to the next part of our parallel question.